Well, good afternoon all. As promised, I said next time I'm out on the boat I'll give you a little cruise, and here I am out on the boat just over between Carbis Bay Beach and St.ives. I thought I'd just show you a little one of the many sea caves that are dotted along between here and St.ives really. Lovely day out here today, pretty calm, a little bit of wind, but we've gone right in under the land there, right in the lee of the land, and it's looking lovely and calm. Thought you might just enjoy a little trip. I don't know how many more trips I'm going to have this year, but it's starting to get to that time now where we'll be having to bring the boat out. So nice little gentle cruise. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Staying safe, everyone. Lovely colours in the cliffs here with the shrubs and all the trees. Little cove there. Anchor up there and have your lunch, couldn't you? It'd be peaceful, very beautiful. This is Leol and Sunny Corner. This is. See the minerals there coming out of the cliffs, copper or. There you go, pretty little cove. Just there, straight astern of us there, straight behind us, you can see the colours there in the rocks coming out. Copper, or it looks like copper. I'm not a great one on me minerals, but it certainly looks copper or tin or something like that. Copper. As soon as I come out from under the cliffs here, it'll be pretty breezy, so I'll stop filming then, unless I see some dolphins or something. I think they seem to have disappeared again, probably around the coast, but There you go, there's a quick little video for you. Thought you might enjoy that. Train up there going by, just see it up there in the trees. That's the branch line, as many of you have been on. So there you go all. I've got to watch what I'm doing now because there's rocks around here. Speak to you later. Have a great Saturday. May do a little video a little later, especially if I see something worth shooting. Take care. Speak to you later.